back to my channel and welcome to a new video. I went into one of my fave stores again and probably one of your faves. I went to Poundland and I picked up quite a few things and I definitely want to show you guys because I know we all love a bit of Poundland on this channel. So it's going to be another Christmassy, festive, cozy, oh I love this time of year, Poundland haul. Oh my gosh, I'm like obsessed. I never want this time of year to end. Honestly, I'm already getting anxiety for the end of Christmas and it's still like November. It's still like not even December yet. Anyway, sit back, get cozy, grab your festive drinks. I've got mine in my HomeSense mug, which I flipping love. And get cozy. Let's go through a Poundland haul. Just before we begin, I just want to say if you are new to the channel, my name is Sophie. I make 3 videos every single week on Tuesday, Thursdays and Sundays, all about living your best life on a budget, and we always talk about bargains and saving money on this channel, so it's a good place to be. Without further ado, I'm gonna try not to ramble. Let's just go. One of the first aisles I went down in Poundland when I got to Poundland is like their kind of gift aisle and their food aisle. And I found something, I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually going to gift to myself. This is terrible, I know, it's really bad. It's meant to be the season of giving. I mean, I kind of am giving, aren't I, if I'm giving to myself? Yeah, it's like self-care. Anyway, I found this little gift set, which I'm so happy I found. I flipping love it. Okay, this was £3. £3, your Secret Santa is sorted. £3, your gift to your mum is sorted. Like, look how nice this is. It's a Cadbury gift set and inside we have a big tube of the Cadbury Crunchy Melts, which are chocolate scented chocolate chip cookies. Are you okay? Because that is such a nice gift. And then also next to it you have a mug. I went for the snowman. They did have other versions, so they had like Father Christmas and Rudolph. I really like the snowman though. But £3, I'm sorry, are you okay? Look how nice that is for a gift. The only downside to this, my store especially, they've been a bit manhandled, these little boxes. So I'm glad they're here now because I'm going to take care of them. But they've been a bit manhandled, so all the boxes, literally every single one was a little bit damaged, which really irritates me. It really does irritate me. I also picked up these 2 really cute little light up mini Christmas trees. Now, I needed 2 for 2 reasons. In my living room, when we've got our real tree, we have a train set that goes under the tree, plus like a village type setup. They're geeky in this household, I'm not gonna lie. So I really wanted to get like a light up Christmas tree, so the village had like a village Christmas tree, if that makes sense. I don't know if like your local town or your local village, a main Christmas tree, but I wanted to do that on a very mini scale. So I bought one for £1. And it lights up, which is so cute. I can't wait to like kind of show you in my house tour. Probably my house tour will go live like early to mid-December. And then I bought another one, so I bought 2 because I do actually have a doll's house that I grew up with, which is like my favorite, one of my favorite obsessions, that's now in this house. And I'm kind of getting back into it. Like, it's not like a baby's doll's house, it's like a nice doll's house with nice things in, and I really like it, and I really wanted it to have its own light up Christmas tree this year because you can actually see it through the doll's house window. I also found biodegradable Dettol wipes. I actually first found these in B&M when I was shopping in B&M the other day, and when I was in Poundland I also saw them in Poundland, so I'm really excited about these. They are, oh, they're upside down first of all. They're Dettol 100% biodegradable wipes, antibacterial wipes. I'm so happy about this because I do actually like using wipes in the kitchen, especially. They're just really easy and quick, and I stopped using wipes a while ago because obviously it's not good for the environment. But now I found biodegradable ones, you know, I might treat myself to a pack of wipes every now and then just because I feel a bit better about them. But yeah, I'm just so impressed with these. If you want to like know what they're like and if they're good, follow me on Instagram because I do tend to do a lot of stories, or just message me and ask me. I also picked up 2 Radoxes. I always get my Radox from Poundland or B&M or Home Bargains. £2 and £1 each. I always get the Feel Relaxed or is it Feel Relaxed and Sleep Easy ones. They are the best smelling ones ever. I picked up, again, I literally pick up one of these every time I go in now, a big bar of their Twin Peaks chocolate. This is Poundland chocolate. Let me tell you, it tastes so good. It's fair trade and there's no palm oil in this chocolate, so I always like to get a bar of this, whether me and Lawrence will eat it together or I will give it to someone I know just just to introduce them into it, I always get a bar. My favourite one is definitely Honeycomb Crisp. It's such a good flavour. I just love this. I picked up a bag of Doritos. This is so random. This is like a really random haul today. I picked up a bag of the Christmas Doritos and the tangy cheese flavour because these go so well with hummus. Oh, it's lunchtime now, so I need to eat something ASAP. Dishwasher salts. This is so fun. But I've got a dishwasher and I need to look after it, and salts help it clean better and do better. So I always grab a bag because it is only £1 in Poundland, and everywhere else it just seems to be more expensive. Public service announcement, Kodak Batteries from Poundland. From Poundland? Am I okay? From Poundland. Now, I always buy these. These are £2 and there's 30, I think. Yeah, there's 30. £2 for 30 batteries. Do you know how good that deal is? It's very good. These batteries are necessary over Christmas because I have so many things to light up over Christmas, like so many light up ornaments that require batteries. So I bought another 30 pack. I always get them in Poundland because they always last so long. The last time I bought a 30 pack of batteries was like almost a year ago. You could probably find it in one of my Poundland hauls, and they've lasted this whole time. So yeah, I bought another tube. I just thought everyone needs to know about that. If you know, you know. Honestly, if you know, you know. It means you've been subscribed to my channel for more than 3 months. But these are my cat's absolute obsession. My cat, I've got 2 rescue cats, and one of them is absolutely obsessed with this fish on a stick, and you get them in Poundland, and I'm concerned for my life when Poundland run out of these because she manages to savage them so much that I do need to replace them. And they're only £1, but she's just obsessed with them. There's no catnip in here. Anyway, so I like to keep stocked up. I've still got loads in storage, but I feel like I want to have loads, like, just in case, you know, when I need a new one. And if Poundland stops stocking these, like, Poundland, if you ever watch this video, please send me a lifetime supply of ththese fishies because my cat is obsessed. Just to let you all know, I am that mug who, when I'm paying, buys the little things near the till. Like, I can't not. It's like a problem. I found these. They do look really good, to be fair. They are Snickers crisp bars. I'm meant to be like trying to stay healthy in the build up to Christmas because I know I'm probably going to put on 10 stone when it's Christmas and New Year. But I bought these anyway. I know Lawrence will love these as well. I also purchased one of these. These are like an evening treat with a nice warm drink. This is the Dairy Milk Snowman, and it's so good. I can't even tell you how nice this is. And a mega pack for £1, let me tell you. A mega pack, 21 bars of gold bars. These are so nice. I like to have these in my snack drawer, and then if I'm just going through, like if it's my lady time, that's when I eat unhealthy, and I like to just have a couple of these with a cup of tea. So yeah, honestly, this time of year, it really is the best time of year. I know some people struggle with this time of year, so if you are one of those people, then absolutely my recommendation is have no pressure. Nothing will make you happier than just chilling out. Like, don't put pressure on yourself. It doesn't have to be like this big pressure time of year. I find that I'm happiest when I'm just taking things easy. I'm not making too many plans. I'm watching some Christmas films, lighting some candles, and that's it. That's what makes me happy, reading a book. So yeah, if this time of year does stress you out, then maybe chat in the comments because other people might be going through the same thing. So it's nice to like get to know each other, you know. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, remember I upload 3 times every single week, and at the moment I'm uploading more than 3 times every single week because there's just so much content that I need to put out. But yeah, so I will see you again extremely soon. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all of your positivity and support. Mwah. Bye. Born the King of Angels, come let us adore him. Come